Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Technical Learning for All. And today we are going to understand the latest feature of the Java 18, okay, which is jwebserver. So, firstly, let's understand what is jwebserver, okay? Jwebserver. You can just search for this jwebserver Java, okay, and go to the oracle.com here and see. So, jwebserver is what? Okay, like one of the simple web server, okay, which is given by the Java in the latest version. See, launched the Java simple web server. Now the jweb server tool provide a minimal http server, okay, designed to be used for prototyping, okay, testing and debugging. So it is not for production, okay guys, but you can use this for like static web pages, okay, and it support http 1.1, okay, and http 2 and https are not supported, okay. So this is just for like if you want to just deploy some basic static web pages, okay, on local system, you can just use it. Maybe in the future version, okay, they will add some more enhancement, okay, they will add some more functionality, okay, in the jweb server, okay. Now jweb server, okay, this is the command, okay, and if you want to bind any address, okay, you can use hyphen b. If you want to add any customized port, you can use hyphen p here, okay, with the port number, okay, and then directory. If you want to deploy any specific directory, okay, in that case you can use hyphen d here, okay, hyphen d and directory. Now let's see, okay. So if you have a JDK 18, okay, or JDK 22 in your laptop, okay, just go to the C drive, okay, then program files, and then inside your Java folder, okay, and then go inside JDK 22 bin and just type J on the keyboard, J, okay, and here again J, jweb, jw. You will see jweb server, okay. See, we got it right. Now if you go and check inside the JDK 18 also, okay, I think inside the JDK 18 also it is available, jweb server. See, we got it inside the JDK 18. Now let us see how to use this jweb server, okay. So step 1 is that I will go to the D drive. Inside the D drive I will create one folder, my static web page, my static site, okay. Now inside this website, okay, I want to create one. Inside this folder I want to create one web page. So let me open notepad and new, okay, notepad. Now here just type h1 tag jweb server demo, okay, Java 18 feature, okay, jweb server demo. Now here I'm going to copy the URL of my web page of my channel, okay, h2 slash h2, okay, and fine. Let's do one thing, man. Let's use body tag here rather than I'm not using all HTML tag here, okay, because the purpose is not to learn HTML. Fine, just adding body tag here, and bg color is equal to pink, okay, pink, and then let me save it. Control S. I want to save it to the same folder, right? Inside my D drive, inside my static web page, my static site folder. Here I will give the name like index, okay? And save as type all file. Here I'm going to give .html, index.html. Save. Now, if you just open this with the browser, okay, normal browser, just once. So it is showing like this. Now we are going to deploy, okay, this web page, okay, by using the jwebserver inside the Java. Now, as you know, okay, we already installed a Java 18 and Java 22 in our laptop, okay. Now, one thing which you must confirm is that just go to command prompt and check your Java version, okay, Java version. So in my laptop I am using Java 22, okay. So what I will do is that just go to the C drive, this C drive, then program files, then Java, okay, 22 bin, okay. Inside the bin folder, okay, we got the jweb server, right? So just copy this path, Control C, because sometime, okay, sometime it will not detect that jweb server, okay. So inside your laptop, inside the environment variable, okay, you must configure the path for this, okay, because then sometime you will get like a Java C command not found or jweb server command not found, right? Why you are getting that kind of error? Because if you check here you got different file, right? For Java, Java C, right? Then for jweb server. So this bin folder path, okay, this path you have to add, okay, you must add inside your environment variable, okay, inside the path variable. Just select path variable, edit, click on the new, Control V, then okay, you can do in both system variable, okay, and this is the user variable, and inside the system variable also if you want. Here edit, new, Control V, okay, we are just pressing path of the jdk bin folder, okay. Okay, done. Again, okay, again, okay. Now we are telling our operating system, okay, please consider this path also, okay. If I execute any command relevant to jweb server, okay, as I am configuring this path, okay, inside my environment variable, now my operating system know that there is something called jweb server inside me, right? Like this. That's why we have added this path. Fine. Now go to your D drive inside your static website folder here. Just type cmd here and press enter on the keyboard. So it will open the command prompt which is pointing to the same location, okay, which is pointing to the same location where your index file is available, right? Now just fire command like jwebserver and on the keyboard press enter. See, it is giving the URL also. So control click on that and see, now our web page is opened on the port number 88000. Now just imagine if you want to change port number. So let me just stop it, Control C on the keyboard to stop it, and see they have mentioned like that use hyphen b for port, it was hyphen p, right? As we read in the document earlier here, okay, for the port it is hyphen p. So just go to command prompt, type jweb server, okay, hyphen p, and now I want to run this web page on port number 8080, okay. Earlier it was running on the 8000, right? Now I want to deploy this static web page on the 8080 port. Again enter. Now if you see here, right, it is listening to the port 8080. Just control click and see our web page is now deployed on the port number 8080, and this port number 8000, it should not work. Yeah, it is gone, right? This one gone now, and it is only listening to the port number 8080. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Okay, and jweb server is there just for some static web pages deployment. Okay, if you want to just deploy and want to test, right, like for that you can use this one. Maybe in the future they may add some more feature in this. Okay, but as of now it is not for the production. Once started successfully, the server run until it is stopped. Okay, fine. On Unix platform, the server can be stopped by sending, okay, SIGINT signal or control C in the terminal window, right? So same thing which I told you earlier, right? Just imagine now my web page is running, okay, on 8080. Just go to your terminal here, okay, and just press control C, right? So if you press control C, it will break and it will come below. And now if you refresh here, right, it is gone. So thanks a lot. If you think that in this video you got something new to learn, please subscribe my channel, Technical Learning for All. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.